Good Saturday before Easter. What are we making tomorrow? We're making a London broil. Can you believe I've never made a London broil? McLaren Farms. Ranch raised Angus premium. Angus, ha 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 ha. Anyway, we're doing another vintage Mazola ad from 1958. Why do I do so many Mazola ads? There are a lot of vintage Mazola ads. There are a lot of vintage Campbell's ads. They're just fun to look at. And the recipe is for the marinade. London broil marinade. A la Mazola. The recipe says 3 hours to overnight. We're probably going a good 24 hours. It's about noon on Saturday. I put this back in the fridge for the moment. I've got no room. Oh. The recipe's a little weird. It says to do this in a pan and then pour it over the steak in a pan. I don't know why it didn't say mix it in a bowl. It says a clove of garlic sliced. That's all I have left of my garlic. I'm going to use them both. So I'm just crushing them a little to get the skin off. Oh. I don't even remember eating London broil. I know my mother made it. Don't you love smelling your fingers after you've been garlicking? Oh, garlic. 1 cup of canola oil. 1 cup of Mazola oil. Half a cup of vinegar. Oh, what a pretty red. There's something floating in there. There's something floating in there. What is there? The internet says the stuff floating in my vinegar is good. It says congratulations. We'll find out. All right, half a cup. The recipe says whatever you don't use, you can use on salads. That sounds interesting to me. Where are you? 1 teaspoon of salt. Oh, it just sank to the bottom. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. 1/4 teaspoon pepper. 2 teaspoons of dry mustard. I gotta buy some new mustard. All right. Mustard. 1. 2. Shake. 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Hey! 1. 2. Ta-da! Pepper, mustard, Worcestershire, dash of cayenne, few drops of Tabasco. A dash of cayenne. That was a dash. Few drops of Tabasco. Okay. So this is supposed to be a salad dressing as well. Maybe we should take a taste before we pour it over the meat. I like the color of it. I wonder what that would taste like as a dressing. We take a taste. I know that the garlic's not infused, but let's take a taste anyway. Oh. It's very mild, very kind of bland. Alright, we got our little Pyrex dish. I'm going to pour a little bit in, coat the bottom. Alright. Don't waste it! In! Beautiful. Ooh! Perfect! It's not a dark marinade. I think I need to get the garlic into the marinade though. And what we'll do, since we're marinating this for so long, I'll just flip it a couple times. On. Into the fridge. It's about 9 p.m. Saturday evening before Easter. It has been marinating all day. I've flipped it twice. Let's flip it again. And then just get under there. Ooh. Stir it around, separating a little bit. Does not look very good at all. It's about what it tastes like though when we're done. I'll probably flip it once more before cooking. See you on Easter. It's about 9:30 p.m. Good news and bad news. I forgot to score the meat. It says it at the very top of the recipe. I think I can put some scoring in while it's in the pan. All right, back in the fridge. Holy moly. Good Easter Sunday. All right, now here's what we're gonna do. Upon researching, people will pat this dry, coat it with a little oil and salt. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna keep the marinade on it. We're going to broil it just as is without the, we don't want to sear the garlic. This recipe doesn't say to pat it dry. It just says remove from marinade and broil it. And that's what we're going to do. Here we go. That's what we're doing. Now we're just waiting for the broiler to heat up. Waiting on the broiler. It says 3 to 4 minutes each side. Maybe we'll go 3.5 minutes each side and then we'll test it. If I overcook it, I'm really sorry. And if I were in Canada, I'd say if I overcook it, I'm really sorry. Whoa. Whoa. We need to take a look at it. Whoa. The alarm might go off.
About 3 minutes. Whoa! Not gonna be enough, but let's do it anyway. Fuck! It's okay, Gracie. Happy Easter! I'm too old for this! Let's take a look at it. Does not look good at all. Let's check it. Nowhere near. 76. 76 degrees. I'm taking it out. Crap. Let's see. 15. All right.
Unbelievable. I can't deal with the alarm anymore. Is that hot? Ow! That was hot. That's it. You're coming out. Oh, it's a bit rare. Oh, yeah. Tough as a rock. Good flavor, though. Oh. You know what? That marinade really tastes good on it. It does need a little salt. The marinade is a very good flavor. Happy Easter, everybody! I mean, Easter Bunny? Oh, that's more tender. Go for a pizza. Potato. This is fake hollandaise. It's Knorr. But come on, you know, it's easy. And delicious. Asparagus, potato, and hollandaise. Use your fingers, Mom. It's pretty rare. I'm okay with it. I like, as long as it's not blue. Oh, it's beautiful on the underside. A little bloody. Right here. We'll dip it in the fake hollandaise. Oh, bloody hollandaise. The flavor of the marinade is really good. I don't think this could have been cut against the grain. It's like they cut it against the grain, sold it as a slab that was already cut against the grain. Hey, thanks for joining me this Easter 2024. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.